Hello viewers, this is Ilyasoft Software Company. I am your instructor Muhammad Ilyas. This video is about business ERP from where you download the material. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser. Write in browser code with Ilyasoft and now press the enter button. So once the search result complete, then scroll down and click on the code with ilyasoft.blogspot.com and then scroll down and click on the label and then click on business ERP. So here you get this post, must watch before project starting, or go to browser, right here Ilyasoft, go to the YouTube channel, click on the playlist, then click on the business ERP and spearhead MVC C Sharp, then click on any one video, click on any one video and then scroll down and click on download material link. So once you click here, you get this post directly. So then scroll down and here you see download template from this link. So now copy the link and paste in the browser. So you see here the ERP template -html 5 jQuery. This template is not free. This is the paid template, but we are providing this template free. Now copy this link and download the database code. This is not the complete code, but you start your project from this code. This is just a basic tables. We are creating more tables in a coming video, but this is the basic tables which is already covered in previous projects, which is already uploaded on our own YouTube channel. So this is the script for Cloud ERP. Then scroll down and download the purchase code link. So now copy the link and go to the browser and paste and then enter the button. So you hear this is the purchase entry code. Here you see all the accounting flow, the debit and credit is completed, means which one account is debit and which one is credit. Then go to here and copy the salary slip design. So now copy this and then click here and download this code. So now download the code from here. So click the download button. So once you click, it's on loading. Then go to and copy the invoice design link and paste the link here. So see this is the invoice design. So now I'm click here on download button. So once you click on the download button, the downloading will be start shortly. So now download anyway. So the salary slip design is downloading and the invoice design is also on downloading. So once the downloading complete, go to the show in folder. So see here this is download successfully. So now right click here and extract to invoice design and then right click here and extract to salary slip design. So see here both zip file, RAR file are extracted successfully. So now click on the salary slip design, then click here and then open the app and then click on the invoice.html and also go to the invoice design, click here app and click on the invoice. So see, this is the invoice design which is used for printing the salary, means salary invoice, pay payroll, and this is for the invoice for purchasing invoice, for payment invoice, for sale invoice. For all these we are using this design. So in case of any issue and downloading of this material or and implementations of this template or executing of this code database on SQL Server, so contact on or support team. The support team WhatsApp number, the support team WhatsApp number is already or is in our YouTube about section, or write comments on video. Thanks for watching.